With Mark Jones, Aber Town, goal scoring hero.
Yeah.
So you got the third goal.
Yeah.
Is it the first for you?
No, obviously the first goal as well. I've got my foot to it. Obviously the defenders kicked me as well, but it's definitely my goal. So I got 2 tonight.
Looked quite good. It curled into the top corner, but the second one just bowled down in and straight strike from edge of the area.
Well, we had like 30 seconds to a minute left on the clock, so I've just turned and I thought, right, well, just have a pop. See, it wasn't the cleanest of strikes, but I think the keeper was blindsided by one of his defenders, and thankfully it's gone in.
I heard Hughley shouting for about 20 minutes, "Just get a shot on!" Was that in your mind? I've just got to shoot.
Well, yeah, obviously, as I said, you've got a minute left on the clock. Obviously, I'm turning, running at people, so you just want to try and get any strike away. The clock's running down, you know it's your last chance, so you're just trying to get anything. Obviously, thankfully, we've got the point in the end.
So a 3-3 draw, you say, absolutely fantastic result for Aber.
Yeah, well, as I said, 3-0 at half time, obviously we got in and we said, to be honest, we haven't played that bad. We've conceded sloppy goals, obviously, which we've got to stop because it is becoming week in, week out now. But we have created the chances as well, and we said if we can tighten up in defence, we knew the aim was just about the second half and just to win the second half, not to lose. And thankfully we've come back to 3-3, which obviously is a brilliant result for us.
So usually there'll be the manager ranting raving at half time, so it seems that Hughes was calm and collected.
I wouldn't say he was calm and collected, but he had a quiet rant at us, obviously, about the sloppy goals that we are conceding, which is every week at the moment. So it is something that we need to work on going forward if we want to get results and if we're going to try and get anything from the playoffs. So obviously that's something that we do need to work on in training. But he said just go out there, play in a normal game. If we can tighten up, we knew that we could get something from the second half. And when you look at it, we've missed 2 headers as well from like 3 yards out. We could have gone on and won that game.
So it's a fantastic second half. You must wonder why we can't do it over full 90 now.
Well, at the start of the season we was doing over the full 90. I can't put my finger on what's going wrong over the last couple of games. I know we haven't won since maybe mid-January, start of February. So it is something that we're keen to get over, and we're hoping to get off on the right foot against Bala now in the next game, and then push off, get some momentum with us obviously before we hit into the playoffs.
It must be so frustrating as a forward to go to places like TNS, Bala, Newtown, score 3 goals each place, but not come away with a win.
And that's something obviously which obviously we all just said in the change room afterwards, to go away and score 3 goals at the champions especially, and to come away not with a win. That's obviously our main focus now, because we've been scoring goals all season. We just need to tighten up a little bit, and that starts from the front as well. Obviously maybe putting extra runs in, so it's not just the defenders or the goalkeeper, it's a team effort. So as a team we need to stop conceding.
So then next week we've got Aber Town at home, 3rd place. Are we in for it still?
Well, I'd say it really depends on how Aberystwyth get on tomorrow. I think that result will fully decide whether or not, if they go down and beat Portalba, then it's still 4, 5, 6 points maybe. So I think it's too much to ask then. We're going to need a miracle really to actually go on ahead. But hopefully if they can lose tomorrow, then it's a point gain for us today, and it goes to within 3 points. You never know, they lose 1 game and then it's all back to play for.